Hello everyone, thank you for watching my channel. Today we have a 2012 Lexus Ct200 hybrid. Customer said it has a misfire on cylinder number 1. He did try and see if he can figure it out on his own. So what he did was move the cylinder number 1 ignition coil over to cylinder number 4. He said the misfire didn't move over. Then he took the spark plug out of the cylinder number 1 and put it to cylinder number 4 to see if the misfire will move to cylinder 4. Obviously didn't. He had no luck with that. He didn't move to cylinder number 4, so he brought it in, see if he can figure it out for him. I've already diagnosed this and I already know what the problem is, but just a quick video to show what I found. We did check the fuel injector, make sure it's working. It's got a signal and the injector is coming on. We checked for spark at the coil, even though we know the coil is okay, probably okay, because the misfire didn't move over, and this used to be in cylinder 4, this coil. We also checked the spark plug, which also checked out okay. But what we did find was when we pressurized the coolant, we were losing pressure. So we put the camera down the spark plug hole. So we took the spark plug out and we put the camera down there to see what we'll find. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but you will see the coolant dripping. Let's try my best here to make the video, but you will see the coolant there's pressure building there. It's building the pressure slowly, and there is a drip, and you can see this is all coolant over here. So it looks like that's what's causing his misfire. We quoted out the job to the customer. He said he will think about it. Hopefully he goes for it. It is a pretty big job. It's not a big job, but it's a very costly job, so he may or may not do it. If he does and we end up doing this, we'll make a short video of us doing the cylinder head gasket, and we'll see how it goes from there. Hopefully that's the only problem. Thank you.